How to configure parental controls on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can configure parental controls on your Android device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. To configure parental controls on Android, first locate your Settings app. Tap on Settings. After you do that, scroll down on your settings till you see something called the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After you see it, you can open it up. And after you're here, what you will then need to do is simply go to Parental Controls setting. So if you scroll down, you will find the Parental Controls setting. Tap on Parental Control or swipe down and you will find Setup Parental Control. Tap on that, and for this you will need to download Google Family Link, install the app. After the app installs, open it up, then simply log in into your account. After you log in, so you can select if your child has Google account or not. If they do, tap on yes and enter out their Google account. So let's tap on yes for now. And right here, this is what you'll need to do. Get your child's device, open settings, and for Android devices, go to Google, then parental controls. Then follow the step to set up parental controls, and you can tap on done below when you're finished. After you've done that, you will have set up your child's parental control. You can link that account to your this option right here. To this app right here, and then you will be able to control your children's phone. And that's how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.